Around 20 years ago, Tricor was the former corporate services function of Deloitte, EY, and PwC. Today, we're a diversified administration company in the areas of corporate services in corporations, business services that includes payroll and financial administration, and share registry and debt administration services. And we provide services to around 50,000 companies here in Asia and many from abroad. We're essentially a service company. But around late 2018, we began to realize that we needed to leverage our people substantially more. So we made a decision to open up a shared service center in Malaysia in early 2019. We wanted to take the opportunity to build that in conjunction with the robotic process automation, so RPA. So we combined an SSC together with the functions of RPA to be able to leverage our people capabilities beyond what we would normally get in a traditional organization.
At Tricor, we took a look at what our key business value was and where that's being delivered to clients. We very early on in the process identified that our corporate secretarial and our payroll processes actually had the biggest impact, simply because they had the largest amount of best quality data at that time. Additionally, we found that both of these services were areas where we had growth that outpaced our ability to deliver. So RPA is a key enabler here to create that capacity for us. We objectively defined what we were looking for in the technology and found that Automation Anywhere was best placed to help us deliver our digital transformation journey. We've deployed automation into nearly everywhere in our business, from accounting to payroll to internal finance. This means that together with many of our core systems, it allows us to provide an enhanced client experience across our 16 business units. Currently, we have 150 bots live delivering customer service. This grows by about 10 to 15 bots each month.
So we've seen around a 30% improvement around employee productivity. If you're building an SSC today, automation is essential if you want to get the people and the operating leverage.
At Tricor, automation has realized both top and bottom line growth. We've seen that in our payroll services, RPA has allowed us to create over 50% capacity, and that's been a real bonus to the teams.
As we all know, the implications of COVID-19 and this global pandemic has really stifled a lot of corporations with respect to their cash flows and their operations. Because of the investments we made on robotics and our shared service center, we were able to balance the workload and to still provide our clients the services that they need right until this very moment. RPA was a new investment for Tricor in 2019. Having seen the early results of what it has done, I think that the future is very bright. Going forward, I obviously am excited to see how automation can further be expanded across more of my service offering.